सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ग्रैड ड्रीम्स चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए।
Hello and welcome back to Grad Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about Masters of Finance at Hofstra University. But before that, if you're someone who is looking for study in USA, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of your doubts. Hofstra University's MS in Finance program provides a strong conceptual understanding of finance and develops students' ability in analytics. Candidates come with an interest such as investments, corporate finance, international finance and many more. Student can choose between the two concentration, that is finance and risk management and investment analysis. Now let's talk about the curriculum. The Master of Finance program covers wide ranges of topics including financial analysis and planning, corporate financial policy, derivative marketing and many more. Now let's talk about the duration. The program is available full-time, part-time and also online. The duration of the course is around 2 years and one can complete it within 1 or 1.5 years. Now let's talk about the ranking. The university ranked around 551 out of 600 as per the QS World University Ranking. Now let's talk about the application fee. The university requires an application fee that ranges around $70 to $75, but if you apply through Grad Dreams, it is completely waived off. So the next step is tuition fee. The base tuition fee ranges from $30,000 to $31,000 per year. For more details, you can check out the link in the description box below. Now, let's talk about the admission requirements. The student need to score an overall CGPA of 3 in their bachelor's degree, official transcripts of their bachelor's degree, SOP, LOR and resume. Talking about the test scores, GMAT or GRE is acceptable and GMAT is waived off if you have an CGPA of 3.2. Talking about the English proficiency examination, IELTS score of 6.5, TOEFL score of 80 and PT score of 53 is good to go. So the next up is deadline. The university has two major intakes, that is fall intake and spring intake. The deadline for fall is July 24, 2023 and the deadline for spring is December 4, 2023. Now let's talk about the scholarship. The university offers various scholarships and assistantships to all of the international students. For more details, you can check out the link in the description box below. So the next step is employment and the salary. The average base salary of an Hofstra University graduate ranges between $60,000 to $70,000 per year. It is important to note that the salary can be changed as per one's profile and location. So once you get admitted to the university, the very last step is the visa process. And Grad Dreams is here to help you with free visa assistance, right from form filling to date booking. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad Dreams.